Imagine a world where humanity and nature thrive in harmony. This is the essence of sustainability. It's not just about preserving the environment, it's about creating a future where every action we take today ensures a better tomorrow for all. Are you ready to make a difference this summer? From June 10th to June 21st, join us for an unforgettable journey at the IoT for Sustainability Transitions Bootcamp.
During the boot camp, the students also get to compute their own environmental footprint. They are able to measure the electricity consumption of an evaporative cooler and an air conditioner to realize that for the hot and dry weather of Delhi, the evaporative cooler consumes 1/5 the energy of an AC.
Explore the cutting edge world of IoT technology and learn how it can address the urgent sustainability challenges our planet faces. Dive into 3 transformative parts: understanding the principles of sustainability transition, building IoT experimental setups designed to create sustainable solutions, and developing an impactful course project focused on real world sustainability issues. Register now for IoT for Sustainability Transitions Bootcamp and be a part of this movement.